Hi guys, my name is Silva and welcome to my first YouTube video. Yes, my first YouTube video. Well, my name is Diamond, like I said, D Silva for short. I'm a model, a content creator. I'm making this video because I'm a beginner. This is my first closure. I'm trying. Yeah, I just want to make a video doing it and showing you guys how to make a closure. So I have my bundles here. Yeah, my bundles here. And a wig stand. This is why this is what this is working. Here I have mine. I got this because I'm going to need it. I don't know, but I can't use everything for it, but I still got it. My oil, let's say the oil or my needles, the most essential thing, and yeah, my needles and my thread. You need a wig cap, and here you have your closure. So what I did basically was, this is my closure. So this is it. You can see. What I did was to sew it in. Yes, what I did was basically sew it. So here, simple, sew this on top. Here, sew it. So I'm done with that process now. So the next process right now, what I'm going to do is starting to sew this bundle in. I made this myself. Yeah, I did it myself. The bundles. Yes. So this is my 20. We have 2018, and we have a 16. Yes. So the long length has to be down first. We have to do that first. Here I do not have a pin, so I'm using this just here. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it. So right here, streak my head. This is the first layer. So then I will cut this part off. We're done with this first layer. Now we're moving on to the next one. So I have a lot of bundles here, so I have to know how I'm setting them. So let's start. I've been poked so many times, but it's not easy to maintain beauty. It's not easy to fight. It's not easy to wear fighting. I'm done with the third layer. So we're going to cut the thread. start from the down part and you can like start going. We have excess here, so I'll chop it off. So this is the 20 inch. Then I'll be moving on to the 18 inch now. Yes, then after that, the 16. So guys, here I had to take my time to do it off camera because of my phone battery and everything. Yes, so here we have the 20 inch, the 18. Yeah. I can't wait to finish it. Okay, so very nice. It's fine. Yeah. Okay, so now we're left with the last bundle. I still had some pieces left from those ones, so I see where I can like stick them onto some parts that, you know, just put them all in. Then this is the 16 inch, the last one, and this is the space we have, guys. The space we have. Let's go. This is stressful, it's not easy, but this is the space we have now. This is the space we have right now. Yes. So I chopped this side off. I trimmed it, then this side off. I will be doing that right now. So this is what we have left. Then this is the last part. The last part. I'll show you how you guys can. By the grace of God, our Lord, King of Kings,
Damn, girl, she's fine. Now, to the closure.
I'm done with the, don't mind my wig stand. So I'm done with the sewing, and here I put down the closure. So the next thing that I'll be doing now is I need to, this side, I will have to cut this part off